Hello guys, do you have a budget of around $2,470 and you are asking yourself, what kind of business can I start and get to generate a passive income? My name is Brolin Muchesia. I'm a seasoned entrepreneur in digital marketing, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can actually invest 2,470 into a business model that if you get to follow the right training, the mentorship, the skills that you need to have, 6 months, 1 year down the line, you could have a potential of generating at least a 5-figure income. So if you want to know what kind of business is this, how are you going to get started, and what you are supposed to do, and the benefit that comes with this business, I want you to stay up to the end of this video. I'm going to mention to you this kind of business and how to get started. So as I start, there are so many challenges that entrepreneurs face, especially when they want to start a business. There are those who believe that before they actually start a business, they must have the full package or every equipment they have to start a business. But I'm here to tell you, you don't have to have everything that you need to have a business. Just start with what you have, and alongside you're going to get what you don't have. For example, there are those people who think that I must be in a good location, I must have the raw materials, I must have the bills I must pay for, I must have the special skills, I must have everything. No, start with what you have, and as you keep on working on your business, that is when you're going to get what you don't have. For example, if I look at myself, I came to realize that I wasted a lot of time before I started my YouTube channel, because as I was waiting to have all the tools, the studio setup, having every equipment that you need to have a YouTube studio, or just generally a setup for you to shoot your content. But later on, I came to realize that I was actually wasting my time, because once you have your phone, for example, if you want to do YouTube videos, once you have your phone, that is the number one tool that you have. Everything else, maybe the microphone, maybe the ring light, maybe the different lightings, different equipments, comes alongside when you get started in doing your YouTube videos. The big question is, what kind of business is this that has a potential to turn you into a multi-millionaire if you have a budget of $2,470? Now, I want to start by asking you a question. Have you read the book by the well-known author Robert Kiyosaki, The Business of 21st Century? In this book, Robert talks about different investment, different business that people, or different ways that people are using to create wealth. He compares about the white collar jobs, the blue collar jobs, the traditional methods of doing business, and the business that he suggests that if you are going to start it at this century, you have a potential to actually succeed and be one of the wealthy people, as long as you get to follow the right skills and the right steps. This is network marketing business. Now, if you have never heard about network marketing business, this is a business model whereby, in simple terms, your work is just to promote a service or product, and in turn, you get to earn a commission. But what we just need to do is to learn on how this business is done. In fact, I'm going to leave in the description section down below how network marketing. I've done another video explaining on how network marketing companies work, how do they make their money, and everything you need to know about this kind of business. Without wasting much of the time, these are the 9 benefits that you are going to enjoy or get when you get to join and invest in network marketing business. Number 1, this business, if you are going to build it well with the right skills, the right steps, and the right training, you have a potential to generate a passive income. I'm not here to sugarcoat the network marketing companies, but I'm just here to tell you that if you follow the training, you have a potential of at least creating a passive income once you build the business. It's not a matter of you joining today and then tomorrow you start generating the money. No. Have that mindset of learning, then earning will come later on. Number 2, there are no other additional costs that you need to have for you to start a network marketing business. If you compare to traditional business, for example, there are things that you need to have for you to build your business. For example, if it is a business that requires a location or an ideal location, you're supposed to pay for the rent, you're supposed to pay for the license, you're supposed to cut other costs, for example, the structure itself, building, the paying other bills, plus many things that comes with building a business. But in network marketing, as long as you have already bought your package or you have already paid for your package, you are good to start in your business. Number three, maybe you're asking yourself, I've never done this kind of business before. In my team or in my company, we have a training and mentorship program. This is where you are trained on how to do the business, how to handle the challenges that comes with this business, and everything you need to know in building your network marketing business. Number four is location. It doesn't matter whether you're working from home, whether you have an office, or whether you're a person who is always on movement, or maybe you love traveling, you love going different places. This business allows you to do it from any place, as long as you have your phone or a gadget that you access your internet, and you are good to build your business. Another thing on location is there are tools that you just need to have. For example, in my company, we have different presentation tools. We have those that are in PDF format, we have the PowerPoint, and we even have a physical presentation guide. You just need to work with them and you are ready to present your business at any given location. Number five, if you love traveling, then one thing I'm telling you, if you get a legit network marketing company, most of these companies, they are international businesses companies. For example, in my company, traveling is part of the activity that comes with the different incentives. The company can decide that given at a given specific time or given or a specific time of the year, people are going to be traveling to, maybe let's say we have, like for example, we have the European trips, we have the Asian trips, we have the South African trips, or wherever the company has decided. So if you are going to qualify, because the company sets an incentive that is equal to everyone. It doesn't matter when you joined, it doesn't matter if how old you are in the business. Once you meet the incentive, then you have the chance to travel with the qualifiers, as long as you have met the standard incentive. Number six benefit you get when you join a network marketing business is, if you're a person who love networking, you love making friends, you love meeting new people, then my friend, this is one of the opportunity that you're going to get that chance. For example, people join this business with them from different diversities, different geographical areas, different countries, or even or even overseas. So time, for example, when I look at the maybe the traveling or even the events that the company organizes, you find that you're going to interact with these people from different country, and maybe you might meet someone who is not only good at business network marketing business, but he has other special skills. For example, there are people who are good in training, there are people who are medics, there are people maybe they are they have special skills and they are doing network marketing as a part-time business. So when you get to interact with these people, you're going to build a friendship or a family of people with different knowledge, different skills, different diversities, or even different cultures. So if you are that person who love to make friends, you love to interact with these special people, then network marketing business is an ideal for you. Number seven, there are so fun activities that comes with this business. For example, we have team buildings. And if team buildings are organized with, maybe let's say my team, we can decide to have a team building, or my company can decide to do so. But when I look at an individual level, I can decide that me and my team, we can decide, let's go for maybe, let's go maybe for sporting, for even hiking. Sometimes we can even decide to go to charity homes. We can even decide to have mountain climbing, depending with the activity. Or I've also seen other teams, they have maybe like they go to watch, maybe let's say they go to watch different sports. Some like going to swimming, other people love to, maybe they can decide to visit, let's say a children's home, or just depending with the activity that your team has decided to come. So at this, when it comes to this team building, this is where maybe we come to meet at we are not that, maybe I will say in an official occasion. No, we are meeting in a moment where we are enjoying, we are playing, people are singing, people are dancing, people are doing different activities, we are meeting different leaders, people are training us on how they do their business, we are getting to learn, we are learning different things or different programs that other teams are doing. So team building is very good, is a fun activity in network marketing. So if you love maybe some of these sports, then you have at least a guarantee that you are going to enjoy your time. As I'm almost finishing up on the benefits of network marketing business, number 8 is on extra income. You might be doing another activity, and remember, I'm not saying that if you are going to join this business, you are going to stop or leave whatever you are doing. No, you can do this business on part-time basis. So that means that you have at least a chance of creating an extra income, because maybe you could be working, or you could be having other activities that you are doing. So network marketing is going to give you an ability to create an extra income, and or you can have at least a part-time income. And if you build it very well, maybe later on it could equal or even surpass your monthly or your weekly income. Last benefit is, if you listen or watch very careful, the number one wealth is your health. In network marketing companies, they have different products. For example, in my company, we have different food supplements, we have different products that are very good for your health. In fact, the company advises us that at least make sure you are using the product, you are enjoying the benefits of the product. For example, in my company, we have weight loss products, we have products for children, we have products for different conditions. For example, we have products that control, maybe let's say ulcers, arthritis, or depending on the kind of infection or diseases. So if you are going to use this product, then you are going to become the ambassador of the product. You're going to tell the person, courtesy of this coffee, courtesy of this supplement, courtesy of this product, my weight has changed, my my condition has improved. So you're not just there to create money alone. No, you are there to work on your health. So if you join my company, the company will advise you, at least make sure you are using the product, you know how the product tastes, you know the benefit before you start sharing the product, or if you are going to decide to sell them, before you start selling them. Those are some of the benefits of you getting started in network marketing business. So, but maybe you could be asking yourself, I've never done this business before. Am I going to succeed if I join this business? I'm here to assure you that, courtesy of the training, the mentorship, the skills we have in my company, if you are going to follow them, you commit yourself, then I want to assure you that you have a guarantee that you are going to succeed. It is not a matter of you joining and waiting for things to happen. No, go out there, make yourself that, give yourself challenge yourself that I want to succeed, I want to grow, and I'm assuring you that it is going to happen. However, if you have found something informative in this video, or you have a question or an inquiry, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be able to answer you accordingly. But if you are interested in joining a network marketing company, you want to get started in this business, also in the description section down below, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact. Reach out to me. I'm ready to train you. I'm ready to make you understand everything in network marketing, and I'm ready to present to you this business. Just contact me, reach out to me, and I'm ready to do what you are going to ask me or the questions you have. Remember to like, subscribe, and I want to thank you for watching this video up to this end. Waiting you on my WhatsApp.